Friends, this is Bhupati Raj, Mantra IAS Academy, Hyderabad, and of course, welcome to our current affairs series. Today, I've taken wonderful questions of almost all 40 from PIB, All India Radio News, and Daily News. So, almost all, this is what you check your current affairs questions. Just nothing but a practice concept here. Observe the question, my youngsters. The bits here. First, I'll start with one of the important questions today. Yeah, do one thing. Yes, I'll start with 10th bit. Padma Awards were instituted in which year? Option A, 1947, 1950, 1954, and 1962. You know the answer, it is 1954. We have three types of Padma Awards, my youngsters. That is exactly Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Vibhushan. So, better in this particular case, my answer, of course, 1954. C. Then go to question number 11. Which of the following is not a Padma Award category? I just told you three awards, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Vibhushan, which is not, of course, that is called as Bharat Ratna Shri, is not of that category. Which award is the highest among Padma Awards? It's Padma Vibhushan is the highest. Then, beta, who presents Padma Awards? Obviously, President of India. So, option is C here. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee was the founder of, yes, Swatantra Party, Bharatiya Janasangh, and Congress Socialist Party and the Janata Party. But it is Bharatiya Janasangh. We say today BJP. This is, of course, before that it was Bharatiya Janasangh. He was the founder of that one. Ultimately, BJP's founder also, we can come the same thing there. Then Article 370 was related to Nagaland, Mizoram, Jammu and Kashmir. No doubt the answer is for it's repealed. It's repealed. Now the same thing here. Article 370 was effectively abrogated in which year? That means repealed in which year? Option 2014, 16, and you know the answer is 2019 better. Then I'll come back to I'll go of course again. Now, question number 1 onwards I'm stuck. Because in India we have wonderful meeting is going on that, BRICS, National Security Advisors meeting. Our of course, advisors also there, even I have taken that question also. The question number 1 is, the 16th BRICS National Security Advisors meeting was hosted by which country in 2026? It's India. It's a 16th meeting, my youngsters. It's purely, what is it? 16th meeting, my youngsters. Come to the point of question number. Which of the following issues was not a major agenda at the BRICS NSA meeting? Terrorism, cybersecurity, climate-related instability. D is Antarctic territorial claim. This is not of that meeting's issue. So option D better. National Security Advisor of India, the great personality, Ajit Doval. That's option C. National Security Advisor of India is Ajit Doval. Then come to the point here, question number 4. Which ministry conducts negotiations relating to international trade agreements? Beta, it's very important question, of course. Which ministry? Option A, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of External Affairs. No doubt that is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Right answer, beta. Now, India negotiating an interim trade pact with which country? UK, Australia, yes, United States of America. That's 5th is, of course, USA, but trade agreements are negotiated by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Of course, that I told you. Interim pact is now. High-level talks are underway for an interim bilateral trade agreement. That's with USA. Then El Nino is associated with, option A, cooling of Pacific Ocean waters, warming of Central and Eastern Pacific waters. C, cooling of Indian Ocean waters. But the answer for this question, of course, B, right answer, my dear. That's warming of Central and Eastern Pacific waters. El Nino generally, yes, causes, option A, stronger Indian monsoon. Where is the monsoon, my dear? And no impact on India. Weaker Indian monsoon. This is a problem what we are facing today. Yes, INCOIS function center. Sir, if you don't mind, of course, what is INCOIS? I know that question. IN stands for Indian, N for national, C for center, for O for ocean, information center. I for information. C, this is what you can say. Now, S is services, information services, please. Yes, then Indian National Center for, I just mentioned, Ocean Information Services. So, beta, this is under which ministry? This is Ministry of Earth Sciences. Eighth is B answer, my dear. Then go to ninth question. INCOIS is headquartered at Chennai, Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad. Yes, answer is Hyderabad, my youngsters. Then go to 17th bit. I have covered all these questions. Yeah, then go to question number beta 17th here. NAFED, NAFED stands for option A, National Agriculture Federation, B, National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India. Very important, definitely, because it is the news, of course, yesterday. Even Amit Shah reviewed this one. Come to the point, you know the concept of this one here, please. Cooperative, because he's also Ministry of Home Affairs at the same time. That's what Home Minister at the same time, Cooperative Minister also. Then NAFED, NAFED primarily works for defense exports, agriculture marketing, and procurement. This is the right answer. The newly launched NAFED auction portal is ENAM, AgriNet, nafix.in. Yes, this is the answer, beta. Nafix.in is right answer. Then go to question number 20. Critical minerals are important for textile manufacturing only, B, defense and clean energy technologies. Yes, this is the answer, beta. 20th is B. Which mineral is considered critical for electric vehicle batteries? You know that is option limestone, B, bauxite, C, lithium batteries. So option is C, my youngsters. 21 is C. Then go to 22nd question. India's critical mineral mission is associated with which ministry? That is what you say, Ministry of Mines. I'll repeat, it's important question. There's a chance of asking this question, Pakka. India's critical mineral mission is associated with which ministry? Implies a Ministry of Mines. 23rd question, which constitutional office confers Padma? Yes, now this is what you can say, Padma Awards. You know the answer for this question, my dear. Yes, you know the answer for this question, my youngsters. Which constitutional office confers Padma Awards? Is President of India. Then go to question number 24. Which organization announced evacuation plans for, yes, seafarers in the Strait of Hormuz? Option A, WTO. Option B, IMF. C, IMO. D, of course, WHO. But the answer for this question is International Maritime Organization, IMO. International Maritime Organization is IMO. That's what. Of course, we have the 25th question upon that only. IMO stands for International Maritime Organization is B. Then beta, Qatar's ruler holds the title Sultan or King or Amir. He's Amir. Then come to the point of Ras Laffan Industrial City is located in. Unfortunately, we missed our Indians in this case. So I think you know the news, in fact. So option is D, beta, Qatar. Then 28th question in this case. Which Indian institution provides tsunami early warning services? ISRO, IMD, and yes, answer is IMD only, beta. This is one second. I'm sorry, 28th is not of that one. It is INC. Yes, it's of, we have INCOIS. Yes, Indian National Center for Ocean. I just mentioned that's INCOIS is the right answer for this question, because for the case of tsunami, for all the way, it is Indian Meteorological Department. That is what you can say regarding weather in the IMD. For tsunami concept is no question of oceans. Information is very important. Then come to the point of here. 29th. Orange alert issued by IMD generally indicates that's, yeah, no danger, be updated, be prepared. This is the right answer, beta. Then go to question number 30th. Which state provided the Vetri Tamizhagam vision document? Yeah, it's there, of course. The name itself is telling it's Tamil Nadu. Now, the maternal uncle's gold ring scheme is associated with which state? Yes, maternal uncle gold scheme is, of course, it is of Vijay government is Tamil Nadu. Then 32nd question, beta. Which institution released the trade with quarterly report? I'll repeat question number 38. Which institution released the trade watch? It is Trade Watch quarterly report. Option A, RBI, B, SBE, that is you can say SEBI, and Niti Aayog. No doubt the answer for this question, beta, Niti Aayog. Then go to question number 33. India's trade reportedly grew by approximately 1.5%, 3.2 and 5.4. No doubt the answer is 5.4%. Which crop group has been recommended for drought situations? Yes, sugarcane and paddy, pulses and millets. Beta, the answer for this question, of course, we have pulses and millets. Then go to question number 35, my youngsters. Krishi Vignan Kendras function under, yes, ICAR. ICAR. KVKs are, of course, agricultural extension centers under ICAR. Then go to question number 36, beta. Lionel Messi, you know, a very wonderful fellow. Lionel Messi represents which nation? Brazil, Spain, Argentina. Yes, now the total fever, of course, FIFA. Then Lionel Messi surpassed whose World Cup scoring record? I'll repeat. Lionel Messi surpassed whose World Cup scoring record? Option A, Pele. B, Ronaldo. C, yes, Miroslav Klose. This is the answer, beta. Right? This option is what? We can say closest record is more better. Closest record. Option C, my dear. 38. Yeah, Cristiano Ronaldo represents which nation? Spain, Portugal. Of course, he's from Portugal. And yesterday, one is, of course, wonderful thing is that you might observe that. FIH Pro League is associated with football, cricket, or hockey. It's FIH is nothing but it is hockey. So answer is C, beta. It's hockey. Then go to question number 40. India defeated which country in the FIH Pro League match? No doubt or watch, arch rival Pakistan. Then the term Global South generally refers to options countries in the southern hemisphere only, developing and emerging economies called as Global South. Then 42nd question. Which ministry is responsible for India's critical mineral mission? Option A, Ministry of Mines. B, Ministry of Steel. C, Ministry of Environment. Of course, no doubt in the answer is good. But here, already I've asked a question, Ministry of Mines. The same question I've taken already. Which statement regarding El Nino is correct? But in this case is option. It always causes floods in India. It associated with warming of, yes, equatorial Pacific waters. This is right answer. These are the 43 bits, of course. Hope you enjoyed this one and share to many youngsters, those who are preparing for different examinations, including UPSC. Have a great time. Bye-bye, my youngsters. We'll meet with another video soon. Bye.